Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. Question number 3C is the velocity and temperature profile for a laminar flow in a tube of radius R naught is equal to 10 mm have the foam at a particular axial location UR is equal to zero point 0.1 bracket 1 minus R square by R naught square bracket close. TR is equal to 344.8 plus 75 R square by R naught square minus 18.8 R4 by R naught 4 with units of meter per second and Kelvin respectively. Determine the corresponding values of the bulk or mean temperature Tm at the axial position. So here for the bulk temperature we have formula integration rho 2 pi r dr u, or we can say mass per second into Cp into T. Temperature of fluid of at location of radius r. Okay, integration within limit r not to r. So this is your mass flow rate at a strip, and T is the temperature at the strip, and Cp is the specific heat at constant temperature. Okay, so this is the heat for the strip, and if we integrate it within limit of r not to 0, so that is the heat for the whole fluid. And now if we assume that the TB is bulk mean temperature, then the if we assume the single temperature for this whole fluid, then the mass flow rate into U into Cp integration multiplied by TB will be here, should give same heat flow that is given by this integration. Okay, so that is the basics of bulk temperature or mean temperature. Okay, so now TB is a constant quantity that is assumed as constant for all the fluid at a particular process, whereas T is variable at the at a particular process. So that is the mass flow rate multiplied by Cp, and that is the constant temperature or bulk mean temperature we are taking, and that is the mass flow rate for strip, and the temperature at the fluid, temperature of the fluid at the strip, and its integration within limit. So that is also heat supplied. If you multiply it by TB, then it is also supplied. So now assuming that rho is constant, so rho will cancel out, 2 pi will cancel out, and Cp will also cancel out. So we will have U, R and T, because U is function of R, T is function of R, and we are integrating with respect to dr. So we will not cancel out this R and this R, because they are under separate integration. These constant can be cancelled out because they can be taken out of the integration, but this R cannot be taken out of the integration, so that cannot be done. So we'll have UR dr here and UTR dr here, and integration within the limit R not to R, R not to 0 separately. So now we can put the value of U, so that is 0.1 bracket 1 minus R square by R naught square bracket close into 344.8, that is value of T, plus 75 R square by R naught square minus 18.8 R4 by R naught 4 bracket close R D. And here the value of U is this, again putting the value of U, add R. So now we can we can multiply this term with this, and also multiply R here. So first we will multiply by 1 and multiply by R. So that is that will be 0.1 will also cancel out. So this is also constant. So this will be 344.8 R plus 75 r cube by r naught square minus 18.8 r pi by r naught 4. Okay. Now taking multiplying with this, it will be minus 344.8 r cube by r naught square, and this will be 75 r 5 by r naught 4 plus 18.8 r 7 by r 6, and here we can multiply this r with the bracketed term, so it will be r minus r cube by r naught square dr, integration r naught to r. Now we can perform integration. It will be r square by 2 here, r4 by 4 here, r6 by 6 here, r4 by 4 here, r6 by 6 here, and r5 by r8 by 8 here. Okay, so we have here r square. Okay, if we put the limit, we will have r naught square here, r naught 4 here. So we can take r naught 4, r naught square out of the bracket, and here we can also take r naught 4 out of the bracket, and it will cancel out these. So, so here in the numerator we will have a r naught square term, because here if we put the limit, it will be r naught 6 by r naught 4, so it will remain r naught square. Here we also have r naught square term, so this will cancel out. Now we just have to solve this part, this part. R term will cancel out from numerator and denominator. This part just addition and then divided. So that will give the bulk mean temperature of 366.661 Kelvin.